Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. It is fall. It's October 1st. The leaves are changing colors. It's freaking freezing right now, but definitely beautiful out. Nice to look at the trees and the leaves, all different kinds of colors. I don't know how well this is coming up on the camera, but look at this reddish orange here. Man, it is cold. Doing a little construction there, but yeah, this ride is definitely worth it, because I don't know, it's just a completely different environment when it's autumn compared to summertime. Gotta love those FZ07 burbles. Look at that, effortless. I'm not even doing anything right now, and the bike is burbling. Damn. I've owned many motorcycles, and I think this is the best sounding one of them all. Like, this includes a Honda CBR 1000. I've had a CBR 250R. All kinds of bikes I've had, and this one like sings the best to me. Sounds like a Harley Davidson motorcycle that revs like 3 times as fast. Check this out. That was like 20% throttle. We're in the city now. Gotta chill a little bit with the gas. Don't want to get too much attention with this thing, because kind of sounds like a monster. Alright, gonna turn into this park and probably record another video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Subscribe for more videos like this. I also have a Honda GROM, so if you're into bikes, check me out, and I'll catch you next time.